Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Smart People. I promised you I was going to do another video to tell you how, or to show you, guide you how you can deposit a fund into your registered AAS account. Okay, so that is exactly what I've come to do. So once you have an account like this, if your registration has gone through successfully, you might have an interface like this, and you might want to put fund into it so that it starts working for you. Here is what you have to do. Okay, just click on these three horizontal lines here. That's your menu. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will display this for you. Okay, so just scroll down and look for deposits. Okay, right here. Take deposit right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, it will display another two files for you, deposit and deposit history. So take the first one, which is deposit. Okay, click on that one because you are going to deposit money into your AAS account. Okay, but you must also take note that you must have money already in either your Binance or any exchange you want to use, and it must be a TRC20 network. Okay, so once you have this interface where they say select wallet, just click on that down arrow and then select Tether. Minimum is 20 USDT. Highlight that one, okay, which means that minimum deposit you can make here is 20 USDT. Okay, but you must have more than that because there are transaction charges. Okay, so I want to deposit 20 USDT here, but I will type 22. Okay, I'm typing 22 because charges will be affected. Okay, so I'll type 22 and then click on continue. Okay, now once you click on continue, you allow it time to load. So if you have more than that, any amount you want to put there, that's what you want to write there. It could be $1,000, $2,000, $100, any amount. Okay, I want to put only 22 in there. I'm going to top up. Okay, because I have other amount there. I just want to top up so that I have something higher than I used to have, just for the purpose of this video. Now once it have this interface for you, you can either scan this QR code or you get the wallet address. And don't forget, AAS is a blockchain network, so every wallet address it displays for you within time bound. Okay, so if you don't do it within time, it will, you lose money. So it must be done within time bound. Okay, all right, if you scroll down, you will see it. All right, so if you look at this interface very well, they say amount is 22 USD, charge is 0.65, and total is 22.115. Don't forget about that, because definitely what you are going to put, you have everything here, the charges and everything will take care of it. All right, what your mission is that the amount that will come here shouldn't be less than $20. That's what your mission. So guys, I need you to copy this wallet address here. Just click on this copy symbol. It will copy that. It will tell you address copied. Good. Now don't close. Okay, don't close this window. If you read here very well, you see that instructions. See, please do not close this window until the payment is confirmed. So you don't have to close it. All you have to do, now that you copy the address, minimize it. Okay, just minimize it. Then go to your exchange where you have your USDT. I have mine in Binance, so just go and launch your Binance. It could be your Trust Wallet and all that. Launch it. Okay, let's wait for it. All right, so this, I'm in the interface of my Binance. So here is my home page. Now I need you to take down here which says wallet. Down here on your interface, just click on wallet. Then it depends where your money is. It could be in your spot, it could be in your funding. Okay, so mine is in the funding. I will click on the funding here, and it will display the funding distance for me. Then come to take this one which says withdraw, because you are withdrawing money from your Binance. Okay, here you are withdrawing, so click on withdraw and then choose the currency you are withdrawing. In our case, we are withdrawing USDT. We are withdrawing USDT. So once it's loaded, click on USDT right here. Okay, click on it. Then you are sending via crypto network. Don't forget that. So choose the first one which says send via crypto network. Click on it. Then these are the networks. Okay, now first of all, where the cursor is blinking here, it's a long press to paste. So the wallet address you copy from AAS platform, you are long pressing or you are pasting it here. Okay, so you paste it there. Then where this one that says network, say there are multiple matches, so you have to choose the network. So click on that box. It will display all the networks for you. In our case, we are looking for Tron TRC20, this one. Okay, you see the charge there, the charge is $1. It means the amount we are sending, the network charge is going to be $1. Okay, so take that one. It mustn't be any other network apart from Tron TRC20 network. Please, in AAS, that's what the network we are using. So click on it, choose it. Then when we have amount, put your cursor there and put in the amount you want to send. In my case, don't forget you write 22 there, so I'm sending the same thing from here. Okay, now 22, when the network charge is $1, when it goes, I will have 21 going onto the platform there, and the small charges is also there, 0.63%. it also goes, so definitely I will have my 20 point something there. All right, so here you have everything put in. Go ahead and strike withdrawal. Once you click on withdrawal, it will give you the summary. Okay, if you look at this, I'm sending 21 USDT. It was 22, but it's 21 because USDT network fee was taken. Okay, so my 21 will go there, and there's also going to be small charges there also. So once you have this summary, everything is okay. Just click on confirm. Okay, click on confirm and wait for it to give you the upload. Okay, now it will give you a security. I don't know how you might set yours, but mine is I use my fingerprint to confirm. Yours might give you an email confirmation or SMS confirmation. They might ask you to get code, so just click on get code. Code will be sent to your email or your SMS, and you get it. But I'm using my fingerprint to confirm, so I'll just confirm it with my fingerprint and have to wait for it to go. Okay, so I have this here, withdrawal processing 22 USDT. Okay, what do you have to do? Don't close. You can leave here now, go back to AAS platform where you copy the link from. Okay, now if you look at here very well, they said please do not close this video until the payment is confirmed. So we are waiting for your payment. So all you need to do is patiently wait here. Okay, so let's wait till payment confirmed, then we'll continue with this video. All right guys, so if you look at my screen now, you see something. africjmarbitrage.us says your payment of 22 USDT has been confirmed. So all you need to do is to click on this OK here. Then the page will just refresh. Formerly, I was having 391 point something. Okay, but now it could be more than that. The page is refreshing. Let's wait for it to refresh. Then we see how much I have now. Alright, so guys, this is my new interface. If you look at this one here, my deposit is now 412. Okay, but the investment is still 391. The reason is that it will take time, some hours. If you look at here, you see the countdown running. It will take this countdown run down for the deposit to go into the investment, so that the deposit and investment will now balance. So guys, quickly, that is how we do it. That is how you do fresh deposit when you register an account. And when you have already trading an account, you want to add more funds, it's the same process. Just follow it and you have your money so safe. Guys, I'm putting the Telegram link to the description of the video. You can join my Telegram group, and then you get in touch with me, and then we rock it together. That is it. That is how we do it. I'll see you at the top, guys. Bye bye.